Navigation in React. In this, I have created a React app using npx create React app, and I just started the application. So we are going to see what are the steps to be followed to achieve this navigation. So first method which we are going to try is using uh, uh, a React router. So before that, we need to install React Router DOM in our application. We need to run npm install React Router DOM to achieve this using React. So the second step is to update our index.js. So we need to import uh, browser router from React Router DOM, and we need to make sure our app exists inside this router app to enable routing so that our app routing will be enabled. So the next step is to update our app.js. So I'm going to remove whatever is not required to us. Okay. So first one I'm going to do is I'm going to create two pages in our SRC. Okay, so inside SRC I'm going to create a pages folder, and first one is I'm going to create home.js, and the other one is navigation.js. So in home.js I'm going to say import star as React from React. Okay, then I'm going to say export default function home. Okay, so in this I'm gonna return ngr fragment. So inside the fragment I'm going to say h1 hello I am home page. Okay, so same I'm gonna have in my navigation page. So I'm going to say that it is a navigation page. So in my app.js, I'm gonna import routes as well as route from React Router. Then I'm gonna import home from pages and import navigation from pages too. So I'm gonna use routes. So inside the routes, I'm gonna have my route with path equal to home page with element as home. This is my route 1. My other route path is equal to / navigation, and I'm gonna say element equal to import the navigation component. So this is all done. So now if I go to this, so it's saying I'm home page, and in browser if I'm gonna use navigation, so sorry, navigation. So if we're gonna use navigation, so this is their router. Okay, the other next step is we are going to add link, the second way of doing navigation. So inside the navigation page, I'm gonna use link component. I'm gonna link it to home page. Click here to go to home page. So this link is from React Router DOM. So this is the second approach. So now we can see there is a link. So if you click on it, you can see that we are going to home page and we have a link. So this is the second method. So now we are going to implement the third method. So it is to have a button to navigate. So button. So on click, I'm gonna say that is a function navigate to. So this navigate I'm gonna create. Okay, let me close this before that. Click this button to navigate to home page. Here we have to click this link now. So here I'm gonna say let navigate is equal to use navigate, which is again from the React Router DOM. So I'm gonna save this. Okay, so I have created a button. So when I click again, we're going to home page. So if you click on a link, it will redirect via link component, and if you're going to click on the button, it is going to use the hook, use navigate in React Router DOM to navigate back to the home page. So these are the three basic things. Like these are the three basic ways of routing back to your home page or enabling routing or navigation in your application.